Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can zip a file or folder in the File Explorer window to compress its contents into a single zipped file that can be sent to others or simply compressed for storage. To open the contents of a zipped file, the recipient must unzip the file to uncompress the zipped folder and its contents. Windows 11 lets you zip and unzip files and folders shown within the File Explorer window. To zip a file or folder using File Explorer in Windows 11, select the file or folder to zip in the File Explorer window. Then click the See More button in the ribbon at the top of the File Explorer window. Then select the Compress to Zip File command in the drop-down menu that appears. Windows then automatically zips the selected file or folder and creates it within the same folder in the File Explorer window. Type a name for the zipped file if needed, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard or click away from the zipped file in the window to set its name. Note that the zipped file defaults to having the same name as the selected file or folder, but with a .zip file extension. Alternatively, to zip a file or folder using File Explorer in Windows 11, right-click the file or folder to zip in the right pane of the File Explorer window. Then select the Compress to Zip File command in the pop-up contextual menu that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.